Guys, today I'm going to show you exactly how can you get uh, Windows running on MacBook, and you can do anything. You can play games, everything. There is an app called Parallel. So just go into Safari, just open Safari and type in Parallel. So this is parallel.com. If you click on this, this will open up. So basically what you will see here that in this parallel app, you can see there are so many things. So the current version is parallel 18. This is an 18th version, and it is the version where you can run Windows inside. You can run Windows OS inside parallel inside Mac OS. So basically, you just click on to mm, products and just go into parallel desktop from Mac and just try now. Just click on try now, it will automatically download. So what I have done, I have already purchased this and I have downloaded it and installed it into my Mac. Once it is downloaded, you have to install it. Once this is installed, you just have to go to your system tray, app tray. It will be there, so you can see that I have installed it, and this is a parallel app. So if I click on this, it will open up. So it will take the whole screen basically. If I resume it, now you can see I am running Windows inside, basically inside the Mac OS. So you can see here, I can minimize this. So it is almost taking too much resources, but you need it to be have a good amount of memory. Basically, I will suggest it will run smoothly on 16 GB of RAM on MacBook. So take a MacBook or buy a MacBook which is having maximum 16 GB of RAM. So this is how I can just open anything here. I can just do open Edge, browse the web, do search, and do anything what you can do in the Windows OS system. Basically, I can interact with my team members in Teams. I can go all the way to the full screen. I can use this as my full screen operating system. So this is great. Basically, you can play games. You can do anything which you cannot be able to do on MacBook, but you can do it on Windows. So you can do anything on this one. So this is basically what is parallel. And now once you're done opening this, you just have to like what you have to do basically you have to just click on start and click shut down. It will automatically shut down the systems and it will take back to your MacBook. So you just click on quit and it will run it from there. So this is it. This is parallel app. You can find it. You will try this first and install it in your MacBook, and you will love it basically. So thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe if this is helpful to you. Thank you.